Hey everyone, welcome back. ChatGPT notifications come in two layers, and that's why turning them off never seems to fully work. There's a list inside the app, and there's a master switch in Android settings, and they're in completely different places. I'll show you both, how to mute just the annoying ones and keep the useful ones, and how to fix it if your notifications have stopped working instead. Let's get into it. Swipe up to open your apps, tap the search bar, type in ChatGPT, and open it. Now tap the menu icon top left, then the settings icon at the bottom of that menu. Scroll down past appearance and accent color, and you'll find notifications. Tap that. And here's the list most people never see. Codex, group chats, health, marketing, personalized tips, projects and responses, and every single one of them is switched on by default. This is where the marketing pings come from, not from ChatGPT answering you. So instead of killing everything, be surgical. Tap marketing, and you'll see it splits into push and email. Turn push off, and the pop-ups stop while the emails carry on if you still want those. Tap the back arrow, then do exactly the same for personalized tips. And notice I'm leaving responses alone, because that's the one that tells you when ChatGPT has finished writing a long answer, and that one is actually worth keeping. Now the master switch, and this is the layer people miss. Go back to your home screen, swipe up, search for ChatGPT, but this time press and hold the app icon instead of tapping it. Tap the little eye in the corner for app info, then tap notifications. And right at the top, there's allow notifications. Turn that off, and ChatGPT cannot notify you about anything, no matter what those in-app switches say. And that's also your answer if it's the other way round and your notifications have stopped working. Come to this exact screen first, and check that allow notifications is actually on, because one accidental swipe here silences the whole app. Then look just underneath, at the alerts section. If silent is the one selected, your notifications are still arriving. They just turn up with no sound and no pop-up, which feels exactly like they're broken. Tap allow sound and vibration instead, and they behave normally again. So let's recap. There are two layers. Inside the app, it's menu, settings, notifications, and that's where you mute marketing and personalized tips while keeping responses. Then in Android, press and hold the ChatGPT icon. Tap the I for app info, tap notifications, and allow notifications is the master switch that kills everything. And if notifications have stopped instead of started, check that same master switch is on. Then check the alert section underneath is set to allow sound and vibration, not silent, because silent looks identical to broken. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.